Let's look at weighted average now. Data could be given to us in this form. Now you notice that we have 0, 1, 1, 3 twos and 4 threes. So you notice that there are the same data point being repeated in several places, right? So if let's say this is let's say the number of bank accounts, let's say that 10 people have. So let's say there's one person who has no bank account, there are two people who have one bank account each, there are three people who have two bank accounts each, and there are four people with three bank accounts each. Now in this case it is while the numbers are small and the number of people is small also, finding the average is a straightforward thing, because in this case I can do a 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and so on. So I find that the average equals the sum of these 10 10 data points, which is 20, divided by the number of people who gave me this data, which is 10. So the average number of bank accounts per person in this group of 10 people is 2. But when this data starts to get complicated and let's say we have more than 10 entries, maybe 20, 25 entries, and the data is not so such a small number as a 0, 1, 2 or 3, and data is maybe in thousands or some number in a few hundreds, then it makes sense to summarize it as follows. Now what we notice here is that there is data point 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? These data are repeated, 0 repeated once, or actually not repeated, 0 occurs only once, 1 is occurring 2 times, right? So I write the frequency of the occurrence of this data as 2, right? Likewise, 2 is occurring 3 times, so I write 2 occurring thrice, and 3 occurring 4 times, so I write the number of times that this data has recurred as is 4, right? Now if let's say I have to find the total number of data points, the total number of people who gave me the number of bank accounts, I'll just need to add these numbers. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 and 4 10. So there were 10 people who gave me who shared their data with me. And if I must add the total amount, the total number of bank accounts, then because 0 occurs only once, then x multiplied by f, right, it gives me there is no contribution of this data point to the total, right? Likewise, there are one account holders and there's two of them, so between them there are two accounts, which is 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. Likewise, this is 0 into 1. Likewise, two account holders are 3 in number, so between them there are 6 accounts, right? So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and there are 4 people with 3 bank accounts, so we will write 3 bank accounts multiplied by 4 people, so 12 bank accounts between the people who have 3 bank accounts. Now when I add this up, 0 and 2 and 6, 8 and 12, this we get 20. So our average is going to be the sum of these products, which is 20, divided by the sum of all the number of people, right? So this is 10, and we again get the answer 2. So this, while it doesn't look like we've done much here, but what we've computed is the weighted average. So x bar actually turns out to be weighted average, and it's not very different from ordinary average, except for the fact that now all these data points 0, 1, 2 and 3 have been given different weights. Weights being the number of times that they are occurring, right? So 0 takes place for one individual, 1 takes place for two individuals, 2 takes place for 3 individuals, and 3 takes place for 4 individuals. So x mod, or the average, is actually the weighted average here. Weighted average is just a simpler way, a faster way of first summarizing this data and then finding the average.